Tonight, we're diving into a startling incident that's captured attention around the world. A grand drone show in Hunan, China went terribly wrong. Many drones fell from the sky, sparking forest fires, causing mass panic and chaotic evacuations. What exactly happened, how such a spectacle turned into a disaster, and what lessons we can take away? Let's unpack this. Not long ago, in Liang, Hunan province, a major aerial drone show was staged as part of a celebration. The sky was supposed to light up with coordinated drones, tracing patterns, colors, synchronized movement. But instead, what unfolded was almost like a meteor shower. Drones malfunctioned midair, many of them catching fire, plunging toward wooded hills, igniting wildfires in their descent. As the drones fell, embers and sparks rained down, setting trees ablaze. Those narrow wooded areas quickly turned into flashpoints. Fire crews were immediately called in. Nearby residents, tourists, and spectators scrambled to get away. Roads jammed, panic spread, and evacuation became chaotic. No official reports have confirmed major casualties, which is a relief. But the damage is still alarming. Property loss, scorched ecosystems, smoke and disruption, and the psychological shock of seeing a harmless spectacle transform into terror. What might have caused this failure? One possibility is a malfunction in the control system. When drones are mass coordinated, a glitch or signal interference can cascade. Another factor, the drones may have been too low or too close to pyrotechnics if fireworks were part of the show, so particles or flame interacted. Some users speculated that the employed pyrotechnics were designed for higher altitudes with a longer burn time. Being released at too low altitude resulted in reaching the ground before the pyro burned out. Also, the integration of fireworks or pyro devices on drones is inherently risky. A miscalculation in timing or positioning can send hot particles downward, and in forested or dry terrain, that's a recipe for disaster. The response effort was immense. Firefighters raced to contain fires before they spread to surrounding zones. Local authorities prioritized evacuation corridors, temporarily moving people out of high-risk zones. Emergency communication systems had to keep pace with the rapidly changing situation. But with mass panic, overwhelmed roads, limited visibility, smoke, and uncertainty over where fires might flare next, the evacuation was chaotic. In such moments, small mistakes or lack of coordination can cost lives. Looking at the broader picture, this incident underscores a few key truths. First, large-scale drone shows are technically complex and fragile. They depend on robust control systems, redundancy, safe separation from any ignitable environment, and careful integration of pyrotechnics. One error can cascade. Second, risk assessment must always err on the side of caution. When staging such events near forests, hills, or populated zones, buffer zones, fire breaks fail. Safe redundancy and emergency suppression resources must be prepped in advance. Third, real-time monitoring is essential. As soon as a drone begins deviating, automatic shutdown or safe fallback protocols should kick in. And if any drone displays abnormal behavior or overheating, systems should be designed to isolate and ground them safely. Fourth, transparency and investigation are critical after such events. Authorities must release technical findings. Was it a software glitch, interference, signal jamming, miscalibrated pyro timing, component failure, or human error? Only a public, credible inquiry can restore trust and prevent repeat disasters. Fifth, in the age of drone shows and tech spectacles, public safety cannot be secondary to spectacle. The allure of breathtaking aerial visuals must not override contingency planning. From a human perspective, imagine being there dreaming of a dazzling light show, watching drones dance overhead, then suddenly seeing them rain down, trails of smoke, fire on hillsides, people screaming, scrambling to get away. That shift from wonder to terror leaves a psychological scar. In closing, this event in Hunan is a cautionary tale. Technology is only as safe as its design, testing, and operational safeguards. Pushing the envelope is fine, but never at the expense of safety. If we're going to dazzle with drones, we must also respect fire, terrain, and human lives. I'll be keeping an eye out for official technical reports as they come out. If you like, I can dig deeper into the drone models used, control architectures, and regulatory frameworks in China and globally, and share that in a follow-up. Let me know if you want me to do that. Thanks for watching. Stay curious and stay safe.